You may be extremely skilled, you may be knowledgeable. If the attitude is wrong, you can't. But if the attitude is right, you can learn the skill.
As India starts getting a bigger economy,
What are your individual thoughts on insurance? How do you see insurance for an individual?
मैं ना इसमें मरीज हूँ, मैं प्रोपोनेंट नहीं हूँ, मैं इसमें ज्ञान बिल्कुल नहीं देता।
हाँ जी. The actual talent in this country actually comes from across all the cities. It's not only top 2, top 5 cities that has all the talent.
So make a system of elimination instead of focusing on what somebody is good at.
आज की जनरेशन में कोई जना 12 से 15 मिनट जेप्टो या ब्लिंकिट की डिलीवरी के लिए वेट ना करे. Welcome everyone for an exciting episode with us, Life Uncovered with Vaibhav. We have Neeraj here, ex-boss, kind of a life mentor and practically an elder brother within the industry. Anytime I'm stuck with anything, I know he is always available, one phone call away. Sometimes if not a phone call, a WhatsApp away, but always just one ping away in one way or the other. I also have this unique comfort with him that if any hotel booking is not possible in the city, I know I can call him and stay overnight at his place. His family is like a family to me, and I'm sure it's the other way around as well. So, welcome. Let's start an interesting discussion about his life and how life has uncovered in his way. So, welcome. Thank you for coming here. As we start the journey, for everyone here, so when I was growing up, and in fact, abhi tak, there is this aspiration for me because I could not reach one of the best colleges as a youngster. I was more interested in sports, less in education. But when I see your pedigree, SRCC, FMS, anyone who's listening to us, अगर उनके छोटे बच्चे हैं, or how, what is it that led you to those paths? And being an alumnus of such a prestigious college, what is it that brings to you?
Actually, my daughter is just about to start her college. So I can proudly say that in today's day and age, what matters so much more is what you study, with what passion you study, and not at all where you study from. So I think this is in the times जब हर जगह तंगी थी, नौकरी की तंगी, and that's the economy we grew up in.
Yeah.
So a way to eliminate people was to choose first कि किसने कहाँ से college किया है, कहाँ से PG किया है, कहाँ से school किया है, and you create scarcity in that model because you didn't have as many opportunities. I think today it just does not matter कोई कहाँ से पढ़े नहीं पढ़े, and the point I'm wanting to bring is the opportunities in Middle India are probably far more than it is in the so-called urban metro centers that we always aspired to reach. तो when we were growing up, जब मैं मेरे को तो ये नाम सुन के ही डर लगता था कि बम्बई जाएंगे क्या होगा, बड़ी buildings. I had never seen a building more than 3-4 stories high in my life.
Correct.
We used to hear stories कि Marine Drive पे buildings होती हैं 20-20 माले की, 25 माले की, तो शायद खिड़कियों में से बादल अंदर आ जाएगा, clouds will come inside the window. So those kind of stories we heard. But I genuinely believe that the kids who are growing up today, they are so much well versed with the world that they will not be out of their place in the topmost metros globally, not just in India. So the point I'm trying to make is today more than ever, it is so much more important about being sure of what you know, being sure of where you want to be, instead of आपने कहाँ से college किया और कहाँ से school किया.
Yeah, that's a sea of change. In fact, अपने टाइम पे when we were growing up, we were always told कि एक ना एक कोई एग्जाम हो सकता है 12th के बाद हो IIT का या इंजीनियर मेडिसिन का या UPSC या MBA या समथिंग जो आपको क्रैक करना है. अगर आपने वो एग्जाम नहीं क्रैक किया तो आपकी लाइफ फेलियर माना करते थे. There was only a super success or failure. There was nothing as a middle India.
The scarcity model, right? Because
Absolutely.
you only have 5 available seats.
Absolutely.
So make a system of elimination instead of focusing on what somebody is good at.
Absolutely.
So in one of the later jobs that I joined, and this is someone that I really like professionally, there was some person in my team who was not able to perform the task we were asking. and of course, like as it happens, you get irritated, you tend to believe that the person is not good. And I was advised that why is it that he is not doing what he is being asked to do? So the problem is never intent. Problem is the training that you have given to the person. Is he capable of doing that? And more importantly, the intent again to learn what he is being asked to deliver. So therefore, life may again coming to the point. If you have the right temperament and you know what you want to do, it will not matter now about आप कहाँ से आए हैं, कहाँ जाएंगे. Our children, I'm sure it's true for your kids as well.
Right.
They are so much sure. It just does not matter where they are sitting in Patna or Jodhpur or Bombay. They
Absolutely.
are equally excelling because they are born today.
Yeah, I think internet has bridged that gap. A lot of things have bridged the gap. And per capita of income for India, for example, when we were growing up to what we are, I still remember when my father bought his first two-wheeler, which was a second-hand Lambretta, because अगर वो Vespa या कुछ और लेने जाते तो 12 से 15 साल की वेटिंग थी. And I'm sure you would also remember these things. आज की जनरेशन में कोई जना 12 से 15 मिनट जेप्टो या ब्लिंकिट की डिलीवरी के लिए वेट ना करे. So there is a sea change that's happened.
Yes.
Following up from there, what is the thought your daughter has? Because I've heard she's fantastic with music plus educations. What's the plan you have for her, and what is the plan she has? Is it a similar plan, different plan?
Very today, I think when we were growing up,
Right.
I think हमारे 10th, 12th, these were the big exams.
Absolutely.
Right? I think our parents were far more stressed than probably what we were, right?
Correct.
And looking at them used to make us stressed कि यार ये इतने number नहीं आए तो job
Vicious cycle चलता. बिल्कुल.
So I think thankfully, true for me, so much more for I think more parents like us. We are very comfortable with what kids want to do. एक चीज़ ना अपन को समझ में आ गई है कि whatever we studied in school or where we studied from, whatever I did in my graduation or post graduation, probably what you studied mattered so much less than the experiences we have picked up in our life journey, in our careers.
Absolutely.
So today, while we and both you and I have a similar life journey, look at the way it is coming out very differently in terms of where we are today. You are looking at doing such a beautiful startup, and it is so connected to people. So you are looking at touching lives.
Correct.
Right? And this is something which is not just a mission and a vision statement which you read when you are entering the office. It is something that you have designed. It is something that you are living every day.
Correct.
So I loved the beautiful ad which came out in the Financial Express yesterday for Inca.
Thank you.
It is so amazing the way 10 words have conveyed the entire thought.
Correct.
Right? So that brought to me that sometimes saying less is so much more important in the room.
Absolutely. In fact, from that ad perspective, it was written by someone within our team who's based out of Chandigarh. And what we have discussed so many times, the actual talent in this country actually comes from across all the cities. It's not only top 2, top 5 cities that has all the talent. If you scout for talent across the country, it's beautifully spread across.
Yeah.
What are your thoughts on it?
So I think we are still scratching the surface there. It is amazing that you are trying to stay in Jodhpur and looking at people from Chandigarh. I think it's just the beginning. I think more and more the amount of talent available, and see in any economy when it is growing, capitalism has to rule.
Correct.
So somewhere the cost economies will be a bigger driver in somebody choosing or looking for talent in a tier 2 city.
Correct.
But that probably would be the trigger. And then talent will get the attention that it requires. But yeah, let capitalism play out its part. But ultimately, talent will materialize. And with internet, with so many facilities now, and we are privileged to have such high-speed internet.
Correct.
It doesn't really matter. And thanks to COVID, people have learned how to do Teams call and how to do video calls and work on that.
Absolutely. In fact, one of our very interesting and impressive person stays in Telangana's remote place. That place doesn't have a railway station. So for his railway station, he needs to travel around 60 kilometers from his house. But he has got high-speed internet at his house. Now look at that possibility. Who would have thought?
And amazing to see, Weber, when compliments to you. that you are encouraging such cultural exchanges, that somebody stays in a different position as long as he does what he is good at. How
Correct.
does it matter where he is at 9:30 in the morning or 7:30 in the night?
Absolutely, absolutely. Till the time, so in fact, we have this policy at Inca that even if you're traveling, so I don't want to spoil your holidays, but let's say you want to work out of some other city for a week, please go and work from there. So there are people who, for example, last recently went to Goa, and evenings they would party, but they didn't take a holiday. They worked during the day because till the time.
Provided they had taken travel insurance.
Domestic, yes. We look at international as well, but yes. So what's very important is insurance, but making sure for us the biggest insurance is wherever you go, you need to have high speed internet.
Yeah.
Yeah. On that note, you also have come from Patna to Delhi to Bombay now. I have come from Jodhpur, and I'm right now back to Jodhpur, but I've spent considerably large amount of my career in Bombay. I see a lot of people in Bangalore, especially when I spend a lot of time there, are coming not from Bangalore. So basically, they didn't grow up in Bangalore, but they are from other places in the country. What are your thoughts on that?
So I think not just Bangalore,
Yeah,
even the new age cities like Pune
correct.
are largely because of the availability of talent in the smaller cities or the middle cities,
Correct.
and they are coming over to a larger city to bridge the gap, the
Correct.
availability of talent which is there. So again, here the basic education, the basic upbringing has happened in a smaller city.
Yeah,
So little do people who are not in this journey of migration, little do they realize that all these people go through a very interesting life journey.
correct.
So they unlearn everything they had learned in a small city on how to get milk, how to buy bread, and how not to call, it's not salad and it's salad, right? So that is an unlearning that you do, and
Right.
you relearn the ways and means of how to behave in a larger city. Now imagine, put it contextually, that these people, the productivity will be higher
Right.
because in their mind they are hardwired to unlearn and relearn. They are hardwired to pick up skill sets required,
Right.
and they are hardwired to change their entire life journey, lifestyle, the way they talk, the way they write, basis the new set of circumstances. So success will definitely be available to them because they're hardwired to adapt.
Yeah. In fact, one of my previous bosses, I still remember, used to say, and I now very firmly believe in that, that attitude is 10 times more important than the skill. You may be extremely skilled, you may be knowledgeable. If the attitude is wrong, you can't. But if the attitude is right, you can learn the skill.
Sometimes, however, attitude is the skill.
True.
So for these people, the attitude to adapt, the
Correct.
attitude to succeed,
Correct.
the attitude to not let someone look down on them
Correct.
is the skill.
And along with that, I also feel the hunger they have
Yeah.
to prove is slightly more. So if I look at my 25 years of corporate journey, most of my superiors, level 1 or level 2 up, were predominantly people who came either from Lucknow or Indore or some other place. Nothing against people from Bombay or Bangalore, but people who came from a slightly, I would say, tier 2, tier 3 town, the hunger and the passion to perform I saw was slightly more.
Yeah. So probably because we didn't meet many other people,
Right.
but my belief is we were working in companies where probably the most hungry people were joining in any case.
True.
Yeah. So location irrespective,
Right.
probably if you, again, the system of elimination, you go to one of the top companies that you have worked with.
Yeah.
So probably the people around you would have been the ones who would have excelled in everything they had done before that,
Right.
just to join that new company.
Absolutely. And a company and the industry, I think we were in an industry that allowed a lot of people from outside to come in basis their attitude and skill.
So in the evolution of capitalism,
Correct.
right, one big part is capital, and which is the availability and the spread and the access to it. So therefore, as India starts getting a bigger economy,
Right.
These are the sectors which is BFSI, banking, financial services, insurance,
Right.
which will continue to attract the best talent. And the beauty is ultimately these are the sectors which touch lives.
Correct.
Ultimately, these are the sectors which have the power to influence people's life decisions. And for at least 3 generations, one generation up and one generation below you.
Absolutely. So actually perspectives are important because that makes you understand what is the vantage point at which it's being written. Coming away from that, any sports or anything on a recreational side, barring physics and history that you're doing currently or like to do?
At this age, the fact that I'm able to pull myself every day either for a yoga or gym is the enough sport in life. And if you're in very, very little passion for anything else, all of us are now TV sport champions. So you keep flipping the channel. Whatever is more enthusiastic, what is more energetic is what you end up watching.
Okay, fair.
I'm very sorry to have disappointed
No.
you. I know you love cricket. I know you have played cricket at a very senior level as well.
No, not everyone needs to enjoy cricket, but I just
And
want
therefore, I did not say cricket
yeah.
because you will catch me in every film that I will make about cricket now. So
That's not bad. Now, coming to what
you remember when in one of our previous jobs, when,
Right.
Sunil Gavaskar was our
brand ambassador, yeah,
I could see the adulation, and I could see in 60-year-old guys coming and talking about how he played the first shot in the first match, and people remembering
right,
in the times of no social media, no TV.
correct,
It was amazing to see how humble he was in
absolutely,
the light of so much success.
yes,
So the point is, more successful people
yeah.
get humble.
That is so true. Now that you've mentioned him, sir, I had the pleasure because he was our brand ambassador and he was banking with our branch where I was operational. So I had an opportunity of meeting him. He ended up buying insurance also from us. So I was meeting him 6 or 7 times during the entire form filling journey. He said something about Sachin Tendulkar, and that was so important when the relationship manager asked him about who was better, Tendulkar or Dravid or Kamli and so many other names. And he said, and this is a cricketing thing, that when you're playing the shot, the coach teaches you that your head has to be firm and not shake while playing. So whatever the body moves, the head has to be constant on your shoulders. And that's what he said. The success did not reach his head, and the head was always on his shoulder. I think that's true for Mr. Gavaskar as well. At his office, he would have no lavish lattes or any kind of thing. The concept was simple chai with khari. That's the Shivaji Park system. Have a chai, dip your khari and eat it.
On a separate note, do you know the best gyroscope in the world
Is a hen?
is a hen?
Yeah,
So hen, the whatever way the body moves, the head does not move.
absolutely.
So all of us need to learn from the.
It was taught to me by Mercedes. Yeah. On slightly different but relevant topic for us as Inca, what are your individual thoughts on insurance? How do you see insurance for an individual?
So let me take a moment because मैं ना इसमें मरीज हूँ, मैं proponent नहीं हूँ, मैं इसमें ज्ञान बिल्कुल नहीं दे सकता.
हाँ जी,
You are very aware that I have ended up, even today I'm not properly insured, and whatever insurance I have taken has been in the last 3-4 years,
correct.
and that is in 100% thanks to your help and your support. एक suddenly when you start touching 45 की उम्र हो जाती है ना,
हाँ जी,
तब आदमी को अपनी मोर्टेलिटी के बारे में ख्याल आता है. उसके पहले यू आर immortal in your mind and probably a big car, big house, foreign holiday because your close friend took it, and holiday start होती है सबसे पहले गरीब देश में जाते हो यूरोप के,
हाँ,
तो यूरोप टिक होता है. उसके बाद धीरे धीरे ना स्विट्जरलैंड हो जाता है.
हाँ,
पहले स्विट्जरलैंड में आप सेब खा लेते हो, केले खा लेते हो, फिर आप प्रॉपर रेस्टोरेंट में लंच खाने लग जाते हो.
correct.
सो यू नेवर नो हाउ द मनी गोज. तो इंश्योरेंस ना 45 के बाद ही ध्यान आता है जब ये सारा हो चुका होता है. तो इंश्योरेंस ऑलवेज, द नीड फॉर इंश्योरेंस ऑलवेज अराइव्स with lot of guilt in your life. There's never a happy moment when you think that I will buy insurance. You buy insurance when you've had a few sleepless nights, oh shit moments,
Correct.
make you think about insurance. And for me, it happened very late in life. When I realized that corporate insurance is not enough, I have taken a few insurance here and there because somebody like you, who was a close friend and a branch manager in a bank, sold me some insurance, जिसमें आपको 5 साल बाद पता चला
हाँ.
कि उसका कमीशन इतना ज़्यादा था कि आपकी पॉलिसी शायद उसकी गाड़ी और उसकी हॉलीडे में गई.
Correct.
सो 45 के बाद आप इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी पहली बार पढ़ते हैं कि आपने क्या लिया, एंड देन यू रियलाइज हाउ अंडर इंश्योर्ड यू आर.
Correct.
तो मेरे लिए इंश्योरेंस की जर्नी इज लॉट ऑफ गिल्ट, लॉट ऑफ रिग्रेट एंड लॉट ऑफ ओ शिट मोमेंट्स, बिकॉज यू रियलाइज दैट ना तो आप मेडिकली पूरा इंश्योर्ड हैं बराबर से. योर पेरेंट्स व्हेन यू आर 45 आर इन द एज दैट दे नीड इंश्योरेंस एंड दे विल नीड टू गेट हॉस्पिटलाइज्ड वंस और ट्वाइस फॉर सम सिंपल, होपफुली नॉट सम लार्ज एलिमेंट. तब आपको इंश्योरेंस की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. एंड एट द एज ऑफ 45, लाइफ चॉइसेस और द मनी चॉइसेस, लुक एट हाउ इंटरेस्टिंग इट इज़, राइट. पेरेंट्स के हेल्थ के लिए, अपनी हॉलीडे के लिए, या बच्चों की पढ़ाई या उनकी ज़रूरतों के लिए. सो इट बिकम्स अ बार्टर, ईदर और. एंड दैट टाइम यू थिंक, ओ शिट, इफ आई हैड टेकन एन इंश्योरेंस, प्रॉब्ली बार्टर नहीं होता.
Correct.
Right, so insurance for me, and I am hopeful कि thanks to people like you, it should not be for many more people. कि insurance should be a matter of pleasure, insurance should be a matter of comfort, not regret. So my sincere advice to anybody I see who will ask about it, and insurance, you know, is not a sexy topic to discuss.
Correct.
जब 4 लोग मिलते हैं,
हाँ.
पीपल स्टॉक टिप्स की बात होती है.
Correct.
व्हाट सेक्टर आर यू इन्वेस्टेड इन.
Correct.
करेक्ट. तो आजकल डिफेंस, ये सब इंफ्रा, ये बात कर रहे हैं. कभी कोई नहीं पूछेगा यू राइटफुली इंश्योर्ड.
Correct.
तो आई कैन कंटिन्यू ऑन दिस बिकॉज मैं खुद इस पे मरीज हूँ. इस पे मैं खुद, मुझे आई हैव लॉट ऑफ रिग्रेट, एंड दैट रिग्रेट अल्टीमेटली विल बी शेम इन फ्रंट ऑफ क्लोज फैमिली. बट इंश्योरेंस for me has been a topic of pain, not comfort, because I discovered insurance very late in my life despite having somebody like you as a very close friend. So while I am to be fully blamed, I will also blame you for not making insurance a very conversational topic.
Fair.
कोई जब भी हमारे when we were young,
Correct.
कोई जब भी इंश्योरेंस की बात करता था, हम सब उसको लगता था ये इंश्योरेंस एजेंट है, भी इंश्योरेंस बेच देगा.
हाँ.
करेक्ट. पर आपको कोई बताता है आप इस सेक्टर में इन्वेस्ट नहीं करते हैं, आपके मन में ये तो नहीं आता उसके बारे में कि ये म्यूचुअल फंड एजेंट है. सो ओवरऑल व्हाट हैपेंड इन द लास्ट 20-25 years or 18 odd years with the advent of bank assurance,
Correct.
insurance somehow became a very push product.
True.
Right. I think all of us have had so many bad stories of buying wrong policies thanks to the bad advice of the so-called advisor who came to our home,
Correct.
that the trust has gone away. मैं कुछ ज़्यादा बोल गया इस पे,
नहीं.
but this was a very close to heart topic because हो रहा है आजकल.
Actually, this is such a correct thing, last thing that you touched, and that's exactly why we are building Inca, to bridge the trust deficit. The minute you hear about इंश्योरेंस, आइदर यही होता है ये बेच देगा, या अगर मैं ऑनलाइन साइट पे जाऊंगा तो ये मेरे पीछे फ़ोन करके पड़ जाएंगे.
Yes.
We have a very strict no calling policy till the time a customer requests, please call. That's the only time we call.
So Vaibhav, I remember the discussions we had
Right.
before your company went full-fledged.
Correct.
And you did ask me कि एक problem क्या है. Insurance में before I met you and before I discovered Inca,
Correct.
ट्रस्ट की बहुत कमी थी.
Correct.
It's like I would trust a second-hand car dealer more than my closest friend who's in the insurance vertical in a bank.
Correct.
Because मेरे को पता है कि वो the way insurance has been pushed to people,
Correct.
आपको पता ही नहीं है कि आपको जब ज़रूरत पड़ेगी
Yes.
ये पॉलिसी सही थी, गलत थी. आप किसी से पूछे कितने की इंश्योरेंस लेना चाहिए अमाउंट, तो आपको पता है कि वो सबसे ज़्यादा ही बोलेगा.
Correct.
क्योंकि उसका कमीशन सबसे ज़्यादा बनेगा.
Hmm.
सो राइट साइज ऑफ इंश्योरेंस, राइट टाइम ऑफ इंश्योरेंस वो बोलेगा अभी ले लो, मेरा कमीशन आज बनेगा,
Correct.
राइट. राइट इंश्योरेंस फर्म टू चूज, वो तो वही बोलेगा जिसमें सबसे ज़्यादा कमीशन मिलेगा.
Correct.
सो यू सी, मैं ये ना अपने दिल से बोल रहा हूँ, बिकॉज मेरे साथ ये तीनों गलतियाँ हो चुकी हैं.
Correct.
तो देयरफॉर unless I have somebody like you, and I look at Inca as a person sitting next to me who is having dinner with me, but not from the world of insurance sale.
Correct. Absolutely. So, not to push our product perspective, but third thing which you raised is super important on commissions. And what we have done in our algorithm is we have not plugged in the fee at all.
Yeah.
So, in fact, you would see yourself when you're pulling your report and you change certain things like PIN code or things, your answers will change.
Or Baba, before I met you, I did not even understand the impact of a good credit score
Correct.
and any correlation to credit score से तो वो हो गया था ना, अपना free credit score ले लो तो loan मिल जाएगा.
Correct.
So insurance से क्या मतलब है? So some of these variables were so fuzzy and unclear before I had this clear chat with you. So while I have known you forever, insurance related post 45 only, like I mentioned, when the guilt,
Correct.
गलतियां समझ में आती है, then you call the best friend and say कि यार ये गलती हो गई, insurance बता दो. And second thing I wanted to highlight is even today, जब मैं तुम्हारे साथ यहाँ बैठ के बात कर रहा हूँ,
हाँ.
if you sit with me after 5 minutes, you'll realize how underinsured I am, whether
Yes.
it's life. और कुछ इंश्योरेंस तो शायद हमने सिर्फ कभी अखबार में एक बार देखा है, प्रॉपर्टी इंश्योरेंस.
Correct.
ऑल ऑफ अस ओन प्रॉपर्टी.
Yes.
आई थिंक हम सब ने, आई डोंट थिंक हम में से कई लोगों ने इसके बारे में इंश्योरेंस का सोचा भी है. तो बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं विच आर स्टिल अनडिस्कवर्ड.
Absolutely. Property, definitely. A lot of us don't take travel insurance while going out thinking it's a burden. सबसे important thing is something known as a cancer and a cardiac cover, which we are thinking of. Actually, we are promoting it a lot because that gives immediate money into the bank account in case of cancer detection or a cardiac issue detection. So there are a lot of niche things that are there in the market. Any actually event, if understood in the right way, can be insured.
ये सब चीज़ें ना,
Yeah.
to a layman like me,
Yeah.
becomes very interesting if somebody is able to tell me in a manner that I am able to understand. तो मैं
Correct.
क्या बोलने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि ये पॉलिसी की तरह नहीं मुझे समझाया जाए,
Correct.
मुझे मेरी ज़रूरत के हिसाब से समझाया जाए.
Absolutely.
So I think most of us at the age we are at,
Correct.
and we look very young for our ages and we are very good looking. But
You for sure. Yeah.
yeah, of course I'll take the compliment. But
Yeah.
कोई हम लोगों को ये सब जो बीमारियां हैं which are normal lifestyle diseases now,
Correct.
तो heart related cancer, I think everybody, it's no longer the scary thing that used to be earlier,
Correct.
happening to almost, I mean, in very near and dear people.
Yes.
are going through it. So ये जो insurance आपने अभी बोला है ना, so once we are done with this, I would like to know more about it.
हाँ.
That's the level. जब मैं आपके साथ बैठ रहा हूँ, जब मैं इनका के साथ हूँ, that is the comfort I always get.
Absolutely.
और मेरी एक और चीज़ मेरी जो मैं मानता हूँ
Right.
कि इंश्योरेंस इज नेवर इनफ. हाँ, इंश्योरेंस इज अ जर्नी, बिकॉज आपकी नीड्स, आपकी बीमारियाँ, आपने एक नया घर लिया, आपने एक नई गाड़ी के बारे में सोचा, तो इंश्योरेंस इज नेवर इनफ.
Never enough. It's
आपको
always
ना जैसे
evolving. हाँ.
और ये काम हम लोग अपने पोर्टफोलियो में करते हैं, अपने इन्वेस्टमेंट की आप उसको रीबैलेंस करते हैं.
Correct.
आप कम से कम 10 दिन में एक बार देखते हैं कि क्या हुआ, मैं ओवरवेट हुआ, अंडरवेट हुआ. करेक्ट. अब तो लोग एफएनओ भी कर रहे हैं. तो इंश्योरेंस में भी ना, इट हैज टू बी अ रीबैलेंसिंग थिंग, प्रॉब्ली वंस इन.
We generally say you should come once in 6 months and
Yes.
recalibrate it.
Yes, yes.
But minimum is once in 4 years, but
Yeah.
once in 6 months is ideal time.
आई थिंक वंस इन 6 months इज बेटर. तो एक ना मेरे को एक इंश्योरेंस का स्कोर कार्ड मिलना चाहिए अपना,
Correct.
कि आपने प्रॉपर्टी, लाइफ में पेरेंट्स, बच्चों का, ये सारा ना एक स्कोर कार्ड आना चाहिए कि आर यू करेक्टली इंश्योर्ड और नॉट, और जिस पे मैं यकीन कर पाऊँ, बिकॉज मुझे पता है उसमें कोई कमीशन नहीं बना रहा है.
Fair enough. This scorecard is a very interesting thing. We have a bento grid, but I'll talk to my product person, and if we can have a discussion, let's look at
Yeah.
creating some score.
और आप देखें वैभव, क्या होता है ना कि लाइफ इंश्योरेंस वाला आदमी अलग होता है,
Correct.
जनरल वाला अलग होता है.
हाँ.
तो ना मेरे को कोई इंश्योरेंस के बारे में एक बंदा नहीं बता पाता है. आपका म्यूचुअल फंड जो बता रहा है,
Correct.
मोस्ट लाइकली वो आपको स्टॉक मार्केट को भी बता देगा, इकोनॉमी के बारे में बता देगा, सेक्टर का भी ज्ञान दे देगा.
Correct.
पर इंश्योरेंस में ऐसा एक बंदा नहीं होता है जो एक बार मिले मेरे साथ, जो इंश्योरेंस एडवाइजर इज नो लॉन्गर द एडवाइजर. मतलब so therefore he should actually be the advisor कि आपको क्या है.
That I would tell you that at Inca we have very strongly created advisors for both together. So if you come and meet anyone, they will do both health as well as life together. So we have not kept it separate at all. Exactly यही point था हमारा कि जो customer है उसके लिए अलग प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, उसके लिए सेम प्रॉब्लम है. ये इट्स लाइक कोई अगर कार सर्विसिंग पे जाए और बोले कि नहीं हम टायर नहीं देखेंगे, सिर्फ सीट आज साफ करेंगे, टायर कोई और करता है. So that's not how it is. Your life is in totality yours. Thanks a lot for coming, sir, and sharing your valuable insights. It was a pleasure hosting Neeraj here. I think one of the best discussions I've ever had on insurance, off and on podcast, even when I was a host or a guest. Very meaningful discussions. Thank you again.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Above insurance, again I am saying, and let me end with this.
Right.
Insurance people discover after a series of regret, guilt, and oh shit moments.
Wow.
If we bring it much before that, at the age of 25, if you decide that when you are looking at starting investments,
Right.
सोशल मीडिया पे आता है कि आपने स्टारबक्स का कि कॉफ़ी में 250 रुपये लगाए, उसका एक शेयर खरीद लेते तो आपके पास 1 करोड़ होता. तो यार आप इंश्योरेंस में भी अगर 250 रुपये के प्रीमियम उस टाइम का लगाते
Correct.
तो आपके पास when you are 45 you will not be worried about any untoward incident.
Absolutely.
So I think insurance has to become very conversational. Insurance has to become very non-preachy.
Yes.
And insurance has to become a part of our everyday conversations.
Absolutely.
Right.
That's the beautiful thing. Everyday conversations. Thanks a lot, sir. This is a personalized, this is not some random thing from Bombay or something. This is specially handcrafted from Jodhpur for you.
Wow.
I hope you enjoy this.
Wow.
And I hope to see you next time in
Of
Jodhpur.
course. Of course.